One.
You.
You're going to make volcano?
Yeah.
Yeah? So what we need for this? We need aluminium foil, baking soda, vinegar, and you have green and red. So I'm adding very gently here. Vinegar. Wait, I put it. Yeah, it's gonna be very fun. Okay, I open. Enough. Now Elizabeth turn. You have to close. What color is it you added?
It's green.
You added green? Oh, careful with it. You need help. I turn. And red. Wow. And now we have to add baking soda.
I want to do it.
You wanna do it? I open. Yeah. Gonna. Are you ready? Wow. Wow. Look. Enough.
Oh! The master drugs! There's volcanoes coming from a mountain!
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Here comes volcano. Ooh. There's a volcano!
Huh? Wow.
Volcano. Here comes volcano. Oh, look at my hand, ready.
Wow, show me your hand.
And
It's not lava. His lava is not hot?
it's like, ew, it's sliding.
Elizabeth.
It's sliding. Look, ew, look. Ew. It's a slime.
Whoa, careful.
It's ewy.
Oh,
The volcano.
it's so mess.
Give me some that. It's gonna be volcano explosion.
You want more? Enough. It's enough. It's
It's time to make water. The water.
It's not water. And we add more. Whoa!
It's a bigger.
It's a bigger.
It's gonna be very scary.
Wow. Be careful.
Let's go in. Look at that. Look at that. It's just slimy. Just slimy more.
Be careful.
Look, it's just slimy.
What do you think about this, Laura?
With the water, you can. It sinks with water on the volcano.
No.
It's a solution.
How it smell? It smell good? Yucky?
It's good.
It smell good?
Yeah.
Don't put in your mouth.
Look. Ew, here comes the rain. Look at that. Even rain.
Oh, Elisa, no. Be careful.
I'm gonna go. It's a bigger one. It's a bigger volcano. Ow. It's a line. It's a good cop. It's a volcano. Ew! It's a volcano. Look at that.
Oh, yucky.
It's slimy.
So,
Mine. It's just slimy on my. Ew! Gooey. It's gooey and it's moving. It's just gooey. Let's get a copy. Here comes volcano for bigger. Bigger one volcano. It's just red.
I think it's orange. You mix it two colors, orange and red and green, and it became like orange color. Yeah?
Look at
Whoa.
Look at the cats.
We already have to wash already everything, yeah?
It was fun.
Yeah, you like it?
It's just fun. I see a volcano in. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.